Hello, this is Magic. I'm a destination wedding photographer and I'm gonna be shooting 3-day Indian Western wedding in Italy. And because I haven't yet unpacked, I kind of want to show you how I pack and what do I have with me for a destination wedding like this. So boom, first of all, I never check any luggage actually. So everything I travel with, I bring with me on a plane. So I have my main luggage, which is, the carry-on, regular, typical luggage. Because I fly European Airlines, I have to stick to the small luggages. And then I have personal item, which is this small backpack. This is my first time actually flying with this one. This is a PGY Tech 1 Go. I made a review about it, but this is the first time actually using it at a wedding, so that's what it is. So I'm gonna start actually with, I have my neck pillow. I'm using Turtle neck pillow for my flights, which is great. It's small, it's tiny, and it works really well. I have a water bottle on the other side. So this backpack comes with a really nice, easy pocket here. And I'm gonna get into this in a second, because this is the main stuff. Before, I'm just gonna show you what's in my big bag. Boom. So one thing is clothes. All of my clothes are actually here. With one addition, I also have my Profoto Octa right here underneath the clothes. So clothes for 3 days right here, and then a gear and a toiletries right here. So toiletries, that's basic. Then I have my Peak Design strap. So these I use at evenings. So for the evenings, I have this small tripod just for my DJI Pocket Osmo 3, which I'm using right now to film this video. I also have a belt, a Nova Chips card reader. So this is the fast reader for my CF Type A cards. This is it, comes with 2 fast cables. So for CF Type A cards, a reader. This is my Moneymaker strap. So this is a Holdfast, and I'm using like the older model. So this one is like a red leather, which looks pretty awesome. I like having colorful straps, so this one just works for me. Then I have my tech pouch. I'm going to show you what's inside in a second. And then I have my main lenses pouch that I'm going to be wearing on a wedding day, and I'm going to show you what's in it in a second as well. So the tech pouch actually includes like a bunch of cables and the chargers. So I'm using like this Belkin charger with different cables, so I can actually replace, depending on where I am in the world, replace the cable here. So I actually do have, this is the European one. Then I have also another European one, just in case, a charger for my Profoto strobes, and a bunch of USB cables. Then I have, just in case, I have one more CF Type A memory card reader. This one is Engelbert. So this tech pouch always has this stuff in it. I never replace that stuff. I never swap anything in it. So anytime I need to travel somewhere, I just grab it, and I know I have a bunch of the cables, I have memory card reader, and I have like the chargers that I need. And again, I'm using the Peak Design one. And then the bag is actually Holdfast Sightseer bag, I believe. And the best part about it is that, look at this. This is my Moneymaker thing. So when I put this on me, the bag has a hook, and it actually hooks right here. So on the wedding day, I have 2 cameras on me and access to the stuff that I need most in the pouch. So what's in it, you wonder? So here I have extra lenses, but before I show you extra lenses, I'll show you my main lenses, which are in the main backpack. So this backpack have one compartment up here, and in that compartment I have like random stuff. I have my Ray-Ban Meta glasses for behind the scenes for my reels. Then I have this Anker power bank, which is super powerful and comes with this cool screen that I know how many more percentage I have or how many devices I'm charging. I can charge 3 devices at once, including my MacBook. Then I have my X-Real glasses that I bring on me for every flight. these days. So I made a video about them. I'll link it out here. So these are the glasses that I connect to my phone, and they have a screen projected in front of my eyes, so I can just chill on the flight and have a huge screen and watch some stuff or work on some stuff. Then in the main compartment, I have some protein bars and Dubai chocolate from my wife, and yeah, some of that stuff. I have two pockets right here, more chargers and more cables. So the other ones in the tech pouch are the ones that I have in my luggage, and you know, I don't have like easy access to them when I'm on a plane. So here I have the chargers for my phone and the computer and everything else. Like I could need like a watch charger, Apple Watch charger. So more cables, more chargers. One more actually really cool charger is this one. So this is like a universal adapter for different countries. But the cool part is it comes with 4 USBs, and I can connect more things to it. So I actually plug this to the wall, then I plug my big charger, and I have like 8 outlets basically just from one outlet. And yeah, that's really comes in handy because hotels, they never have enough of plugs. And then I have one more charger here. This is from my Sony batteries. This is a tiny Patona charger for dual batteries, USB-C. Then we have the big compartment right here. So first of all, I can really easily access my MacBook right here. But then like the entire back opens, whip, whip, like this. And what's here? Da, 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 da. So main cameras, I'm shooting dual A9 Mark III. So A9 Mark III and A9 Mark III right here. Then my two main lenses, 35-1.4 G Master and 50 f1.2 G Master. Okay, two flashes, Profoto A1X, the older one, and the newer one, Profoto A10. So two flashes right here to the side, and here I have a little memory card holder, and I have a bunch of spare batteries, spare memory cards, and memory cards for my second shooter. So I have like a bunch of CF Type A cards and a bunch of SD cards. So there are two of these, and two of these. Just in case. And one more thing is that I have this side pocket here for batteries. So here I have my spare batteries, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's one here, 6, 7. And now we can get onto that bag of the stuff that I have on me. So here I have 2 more batteries, 8, 9. So because there are 2 pockets here, so I have 9 batteries total for that. And then 2 more lenses, actually 3 more lenses. This one is a 24 G Master. Then there's 85 G Master. So I have 35, 50, 24, 85. And today I brought with me, I always try to bring one fun lens. I brought this TD Artisan tilt lens just for some portraits, maybe some cool flares or some effects. And then one more thing I have here is my Profoto controller. So this is the controller so I can trigger my stuff. Boom, close this here. Now take a look at some photos and behind the scenes that I've shot at this wedding.
Undoubtedly, this round also goes to team. Undoubtedly, this round also goes to team Bhagwan and Nasir. Now we're like friends. Okay, moving to the next and the most. This time, oh yeah. Give it up for Deepak and Akita. Baby, baby,
Thank you.
अग्निमीडे पुरोहितं यज्ञस्य देवमृत्विजं होतारं रत्नधातमम्
For all these behind the scenes, I was using Meta glasses. This is mainly the stuff I use for my weddings. DJI Pocket that I'm filming right now, I don't use it at weddings. Actually, it's just like additional tool. I prefer to use it phone for quick snaps, and then Ray-Ban Meta glasses are exceptional for, you know, just having them on you and being able to film anything you want at any time. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys bring to the wedding and how would you rate my gear? And here you can watch a video how I shoot all my weddings with these prime lenses only.